and intuitive self-care. You will learn and practice strategies to more deeply understand your unique nutrition needs, respect your body, cope with stressors, and honor your body's natural hunger and fullness cues. From this course, you will understand how to make nutritional choices as well as why you should make them. You will have an understanding of your own relationship with food, and you will observe trends through charts and graphs and other fun ways of showing nutritional data. The required readings for this course include Nutrition, How to Make Healthier Food Choices, Self-Care Starts with Intuition, and Healthy Body Images. These readings will be useful for the upcoming tasks in this course. Here is one example of the types of tasks you will complete. Students will complete a project focusing on the topic of nutritional choices. This task will help students present to the class what they have learned about making nutritional eating choices through understanding the external food rules. Looking forward to an awesome year with you all. Thank you so much.